After explaining of the theory, we are going to do the lab. Let's see how to configure AHRP. What type of AHRP tables are maintained, AHRP tables. So if I'm going for router 1, if you use a command like show, this is your R1. If I'm going for like show protocols, actually on the gigabit, so the internet protocol routing is enabled on this particular interface on the serial. But if I'm going for like the command show IP protocols, no routing protocol is there. See here, if I'm going for show IP protocol, no routing protocol is being configured. I go to config T, give the command router AHRP. If I question mark, it advises me to give some autonomous system.
System number.
You can give from 1 to 65,535. Any one you can use. This is making like a group, like a domain, like one organization, like for example, the autonomous system means. And AHRP is going to advertise the routes within the same autonomous system of one, if I am using one now. So router AHRP 1. Now you are there in router mode. So we need to advertise the network. Compare with your RIP. In the RIP, you are giving network, just network ID, that's it. You're not giving the subnet mask. But whereas in the AHRP, you have to give the network, and you have to give the network of 199.10.1.0, and I have to give the subnet mask because it's subnetted. So my subnet mask for them, it is 255.255.255.252. Let me advertise the other serial WAN connection also. I will explain you this. 200.10.1.0, 255.255.255.252. Then what is my LAN network is? It is 172.16.00, which is class B. If I use class B subnet mask, no problem, I can give. Even if I don't give also, default take class B. But the above networks are by default in class C. By default, the AHRP will do auto summary. It is going to summarize to their default network. But I don't want to summarize to their default network. I use a command no auto summary. Don't summarize to their default classful network. So it is mandatory that in router 1, router 2, and router 3, you must execute the command no auto summary. If you do like auto summary, you will have some issues will be there because there is a class C. Maybe if the neighbors, if they are using like from the same 200, sometimes when you do like auto summary, when your networks are so huge, so big, unnecessarily packets will be dropped to the router 1, which is specifically like we have a summarization. There is auto summary and no auto summary, and there is a manual summarizations are there. When I configure router 1, so these are the steps that I must do it in router 1. Okay, you see how AHRP brilliant. I mean, it's going to work in router 1 again. If I'm executing the command show IP AHRP packets, not show command. There is a command debug IP, debug AHRP packets. That's it. The command is debug AHRP packets, and you get debugging is on. So since you advertise the WAN and the LAN on these three interfaces, for every 5 seconds, the AHRP is going to send different days of the hello message, sending hello message, sending hello. So EHRP sending hello by using multicast address, which is 224.0.0.0.10. 224.0.0.10. Use the multicast address. Within the same autonomous system, number one is going to advertise on the 110.1.1 interface 210.1.1.1. That is my serial 0.0.0, I think serial 0 by 1 by 0, serial 0.1.1.1, and the gigabit. And if you advertise the loopbacks also, yeah, it will send continuously hello messages. No router 2 and router 3 we didn't advertise. To stop them, you type u space all and debug all. I don't want to see the debugging of EHRP packets are being turned off. The command is u all. After you do this, okay, let me configure in router 2 now. I'm going for in router 2. Go to config T. Can someone tell me how I configure EHRP on router 2? I am asking everyone. Who will tell me? Should I give the name? Teacher.
Router EIGRP.
Tell me, Angadesh. Yes, router space EHRP
2.
No, it should be in the same autonomous system only. One only.
One. Sorry.
No problem. And the router 2, you see me router 2 and JPR. Router EHRP 1. Okay. I am said Venkatesh seeing the router 2, he said router 2. I know. Router EHRP 1. Okay, then.
Network. 199.
Good. 199.
10.1.0.
1.0.
255. 255.
255. 252. Because it's /30.
Yeah.
Now, what message I am getting? Read this. Within a fraction of a second, the neighbor.
It's saying there is an adjacent another connection.
With the neighbor of 110.1.1, the adjacency is up. So the neighbor is up. The neighbor relationship is established. Okay, let us advertise. Now, router 1 still now you will not receive 192.168.1. network. You will not receive. What router 2? What the networks you advertise in the router 2 only? Router 2 will advertise to router 1. And what networks in the router 1 you advertise? It will be router 2 will be received. They exchange with each other. Network 192.168.1.0. It is not subnetted. Class C. I give enter. No problem. Again, I'm going for network, which is 201, 10, 1.0, 255, 255, 255, 252. Then you must give the command. No auto.
No.
Summary. Then enter.
What will happen if we don't give the no auto summary?
I'll explain little. 1 minute, because it's not easily you cannot get it, Venkatesh. I'll explain.
Okay.
Just few seconds. So in router 2 also you configure EHRP, and let me configure in router 3 too. Go to enable config T. Instead of Venkatesh, someone tell me. Teacher Adhanan.
Router EIGRP 1.
Okay. Router EHRP 1. Tell me. Yeah. Router EHRP 1.
Network. 201.10.1.0. 255, 255, 255.252. Network 200.10.1.0. 255, 255, 255.252.
Now you see from router 2 I'm getting the adjacencies. From router 1 I'm getting adjacencies. The neighbors, whenever the neighbor is up, yeah, you should get
network.
The messages here. Network
10.0.0.254.
Network ID and 10 network ID it is. So network 10.0.0.0. Yeah, you know to give the subnet mask. Even if you 255.0.0 also no problem.
Okay.
Because it's class A, yes?
Yeah.
So you must give the command no auto.
No auto summary.
or sync and end. Now the same command, the debugging command, I will try to do it in router 1. What is the command? Debug EHRP packets. So that debugging. So I'm sending one hello message and I'm receiving hello message. You see the sending and receiving. There is sending and there is a receive. I will stop you all, then we can read. When I send debug EHRP packets, EHRP, that is router 1, sending hello on the serial 0111 means it's sending on router 3. Also serial 001, it's receiving. Sending on the gigabit Ethernet, no neighbor is there, sorry. So he continuously sends the hello messages on the giga, that's it.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when you say when we enter the debug ERP package, there is a hello message which was sending and receiving to the router 1. I have a doubt. When it's sending the data hello message to the other network, routers in the network, whether it goes to all other routers or only the destination router.
No, see, the routes will be, okay, actually to the neighbor, a router who is directly connected, who are connected with the same network is called neighbor router. For router 1,
Yes.
how many neighbors are there? Router 2 and router 3.
3.
So, and on which interfaces you advertised them? The particular interfaces,
LAN.
router 2 and router 3, and also you advertise them LAN.
Yes.
On these 3 interfaces, for every 5 seconds sends the hello message. Now, for example, consider I have some routers came.
Mhm.
For example, no problem. Let me connect. I can connect with the even the LAN also. Giga 0 by 1 connected into Giga 0 by 1. Consider maybe this is up. Consider, for example, this WAN connection is also up, for example. And you have not configured the IP address. You have not advertised this particular new WAN connection on the router 1 and this particular router actually. Follow my mouse. This router and this router we have not advertised in the EHRP. So you will not send the hello message on this router. A router which is a neighbor or the router on which interfaces networks are advertised in the EHRP, those things, the hello messages will be sent and received. Now, by mistake in the router 2, if you configure router EHRP2 is in different AS. Router EHRP1, if you advertise them, router EHRP1, that hello message will be regretted by router 2 actually. It says you are there in the different AS. They cannot send and receive. Okay, so this is what he is sending, receiving hello on the serial 011, who is the neighbor NBR 210.1.2, that is router 3, and sending hello on the serial 01 1 by 1, AS1 flag sets there, sequential, these numbers will be changing. So, and sending, sorry, the receiving on the neighbor 110.10.1.2, that is your router 2. It's sending hello messages on the gigabit Ethernet. Are you getting the receiving the interface on the gigabit? No. You will not get any receive on the gigabit because EHRP is configured in the LAN. Sometimes you may have, if you are using like layer 3 switches, if in the layer 3 switches also, if they want to advertise their network, yes, you do configure EHRP on the layer 3 switches also. Now,
sir, what in case if the routers are here, these two routers like router 2 and router 3 are connected with router 1 because they share same network ID with these two routers, yeah. But when we have like 4 or 5 routers and they are not connected with router 1, and how this one will send us hello message.
Now, when you are connecting, our question is, sir, we connected these two routers, some another branch that they are being connected with router 3. Let me pause the. In later of days, router 3 connected with some another branches now. There are some 3 more branches. Now, do you think that the router 1 will send hello message to this particular routers?
No.
No, because they are not connected to the router 1. Their WAN network is different again.
Yeah.
The networks are different. So, but router 3 has to send hello message to router 2, router 1, and all, because every router, when you send and receive the neighbor, to the particular neighbor, he will send and receive the hello messages.
So router sends the hello message to directly connected ones. Right?
Connected interface.
Yeah.
Directly
If they are
connected router.
directly connected, in that case only it can send the hello message.
Exactly. Okay. We'll keep questionnaires later, and let us see how the routings are coming up. Now, router 1, router 2, and router 3 we advertise. We try to see how packets are sending. In router 1, if I use a command show IP age RP traffic, first command, show IP age RP traffic actually. This router 1, how many hellos packets are sent is 548, received is 221. Because router 2 and router 3 later you configure the age RP. At first you configure them in router 1. That's why he continues for every 5 seconds. He is sending the hello message. Now it is not constant. Now it changes. Because now already some seconds are completed while I'm talking. It is 748. Now you see it is 566. It was some 568 something, yeah. Now 5, how much was before? It was 548. 48. Now it is 566. Updates send and received. Send is 18, received is 32. Queries, they send 9, received is 3. Queries for asking the routes of the neighbor. There is reply. There is acknowledgement messages. So if you use the command router 1, if you use the command show IP age RP topology, and I said when you configure EHRP topology, EHRP is going to maintain, it has got its own codes again. P is passive. A route that has a successor route always will have the routes in passive mode. Means EHRP is working properly. Passive means is good. Just little opposite in our normal English. Don't say active means is good. No. Active means here problem. Why active will come? I think I removed the explanation, but I will try to explain you this later. 1 minute. Router 1 can reach 10.0.0.0. That is router 3 network. There is only one successor. FD value, feasible distance. It is a total distance from my source to destination. Even though I have AD is from from the LAN to reach to 10.0.0 network. You can reach to this network via 210.1.2 connecting on the serial 0 by 1. So EHRP, now you see here, to reach the serial network between router 2 and router 3, there are 2 successors are there. 2 successor. It can go, so it is doing like a equal cost load balancing again. They have the same bandwidth to reach to this network. Don't see this long WAN connection serial, no. To reach to this network of between router 2 and router 3 WAN connection, 201 network, router 2 and we have router 3, they have the same bandwidth is there. Since we have the same bandwidth, it is going to maintain 2 successor. They have the same FD value, yeah. That is the main. Always FD value will be greater than AD value. Also, we have like a show IP, the best command here, show IP age RP neighbors. router 1, how many neighbors are there? 110.1.2, router 2 and router 3. For example, in this mode, here, in this particular router, if I type show IP edge RP neighbor, how many neighbors are there? Show IP edge RP neighbor. If I execute this command, in this topology, see and tell me, in this router 3, if I do, router 2 is the one neighbor, router 1 is also one neighbor, directly connected. This router, this router, this router, this side, 3 and plus 2, 5 neighbors are there. But for this router, how many neighbors are there? Directly who is connected? Only
One.
router 3. Only one neighbor will be there. So the neighbor router is going to advertise this network. Now, our verification command. Now show IP route. Show IP route. The routing protocol that configured is EIGRP. And you get D. EIGRP routes by default have the administrative distance of 90, and you're getting the FD value, feasible distance. And sometimes to reach to the WAN network of between router 2 and router 3, 90, and by default we have the same FD values are there. So it is doing 2 successor routes are there. 2 paths are being maintained. Very good. So let us verify the reachability of the pieces. I go to the command prompt. That is my 172. If I'm going for 10.0.0.1, first packet will be dropped. From the second packet, I should get succeeded. 10.0.0.1, which is IP address of router 3. If I'm trying to ping, which is 172.16.0.1, also the PC address of router 2, I'm getting a reply. And if I'm going for like a trace RT, which is 10.0.0.1, of course, yes, is going via 200. 210,